When you add sparklines to your worksheet, you provide a great way to see the trend of your data. Unlike a chart, a sparkline isn't an object that sits on top of the worksheet, but rather an image in the background of the cell. Due to this, you can enter text in a cell and use the sparkline as its background. To create a sparkline, select an empty cell or group of empty cells in which you want to insert one or more sparklines. On the Insert tab in the Sparklines group, click the type of sparkline you want to create, line, column, or win or loss. In the data box, type the range of cells that contain the data on which you want to base the sparklines, or you can click the Select Data icon, drag and drop to select the set of data, and then deselect that icon. Then click OK. Here's a tip. If you'd like to add additional sparklines below the initial cell, you can click on the cell with the sparkline and then hover in the lower right corner until you see the autofill handle. Once you see the autofill handle, you can drag the handle down until you've selected all of the cells where you'd like the sparkline to appear, and then release. The sparkline should appear in all of the cells. After you create sparklines, you can control which value points are shown, such as the high, low, first, last, or negative values. Change the type of sparkline to a line, column, or win or loss. Apply styles from a gallery, or set individual formatting options. Set options on the vertical axis and control how empty or zero values are shown in the sparkline. Note, you'll only see the Sparkline Tools Design tab once you have selected one or multiple cells with sparklines in your worksheet.